I will show you what your users will see on their end. When they open the widget, they can navigate to the rewards section, which you can rename to anything you like. Bonus shop, price catalog, rewards, reward catalog, whatever fits your brand. The available rewards are displayed as cards, showing the name, image, and the point cost. Users will only see the rewards they're eligible for, depending on their segment and tier. When they click on the reward card, they will also see the description of the reward. They can choose to redeem the reward and click Confirm. What happens next depends on the reward type. If it's a manual reward, like in our example, once the request is submitted, the user will wait for the admin approval. They can track the status of their approval in their Activity tab. Here you can see that the status is pending. Here's what you will see in your Moderation tab. Here is the new request for the Spotify Premium reward, and it is pending. You can either accept it or decline. Let's accept the reward. Approved. The users will receive a message of the successful redemption, and the points will be detracted from their balance. If you decline the manually approved reward, the points will be returned to the user's balance. For automatic rewards, no approval is needed, and the users will receive the confirmation immediately, because the request is fulfilled instantly via your API. For the promo code reward, the code will appear immediately in the widget, ready to copy. For the gift card, a claim link is also delivered in the widget. The user will click it to access their gift card on the tremendous platform. One more thing worth noticing is that once a reward hits its redemption limit, it's automatically hidden from the catalog. Users will only see what's actually available to them. And that's it for the reward marketplace. You've got 4 flexible reward types, full control over point costs and eligibility, and built-in fulfillment logic, so you can launch a working reward program without building anything from scratch. If you have questions, check out the Enable3's documentation or reach out to your account manager. See you in the next video.